You have worked hard, and there's only a little bit left. We still have some back and nasal sounds to cover. We'll also analyze the diphthongs and silent letters. Discover some spelling secrets that are hiding behind them. Now that you know what is the alphabetic code, you'll get a chance to create one with your classmate. You'll get access to another Quizlet study set to help you get used to the different spelling of long vowels and diphthongs. Finally, you'll revise your personal introduction and record it one last time. However, in this lesson, you'll evaluate each other's recording, so you will become a teacher and give grades to two of your classmates. Enjoy the last part of your learning journey.